Hey, this is Mitchell from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to add more impacts to your drops. No matter what genre of electronic music you create, a drop is essential to maintaining the momentum in just about any genre. Most EDM producers want their drop to strike harder than their previous, regardless of how they choose to combine the anticipated with the unexpected. By bearing this in mind, in the next tutorial, I will show you how to add more impacts to your drops. The kick and bassline are the first sounds that should be filtered. Since I already grouped them, I have applied our built-in effect filter unit to the group channel and selected the low-pass filter mode. The frequency of the low-pass filter will be automated over the drop to thin out the sound before the drop. I used the low-pass filter on the rhythm group again, this time with the addition of the high-pass filter. I also added reverb and delay effects, and after adjusting their parameters, I automated their dry-wet mix over the drop. Let's hear how that sounds. Finally, I used the stereo imager on the master channel to gradually reduce the stereo width of the entire track before the drop. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.